just walk के लिए निकला था. I don't know.
Welcome, sir. To the Board of Clouds, Shillong.
Commander sir. कहाँ है? अरे वाह.
Of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association to please felicitate our honorable guest, Mr. Sanjay Mishra.
Did you come?
Yes.
Actually, I didn't come. Okay.
How's Shillong so far?
Good. Cool.
You like the place?
Yeah. Very nice. And this मेघालय फिल्म फेस्टिवल बहुत बेहतर चीज़ है एक नई शुरुआत करने के लिए. इट्स गुड. थैंक यू. वेरी नाइस थिंग. क्यों?
बहुत ही बढ़िया और अच्छा
So
लग
what
रहा
would
है.
be your suggestion regarding filmmaking?
Suggestion I don't have anything, but the first time experience they will get next time more better.
So have you watched any film?
No, I just came.
So will you be watching Khasi movie?
I don't know.
Sir, learning. Sir, will learning.
Okay. When is the program?
It went off, sir, but sir will show it to you.
Okay.
Hello.
So what's the difference between the weather there and here? How do you like it here?
I am Shillong weather. She is Bombay weather. Tell me.
It's beautiful.
Wow.
It's very beautiful to be here. And so many young faces to see, so much interest in films. It's amazing.
How many days will you be staying here in Shillong?
2 days and then 2 more days, hopefully.
Will you visit some of the scenic beauty here in Meghalaya?
We are planning to go to see some places. After this, and other things. So we will explore a bit of Meghalaya.
Will there be any collaboration?
Later.
Will there be any collaboration between you guys and Khasi?
This is a collaboration. This one.
Maybe in film collaboration in the future?
गवर्नमेंट सोच रही है अच्छी फिल्मों का तो आगे होगा कोलैबोरेशन. और दिस स्टार्ट जब स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एंड फर्स्ट टाइम है, बेस्ट टाइम. एंड आई थिंक 10 इयर्स के बाद इस फेस्टिवल मेघालय फेस्टिवल का फिल्म फेस्टिवल का एक अपना एक रुतबा हुआ बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदर एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड लोग आना चाहिए.
Is there any future films from you?
Here?
No. Bollywood.
Bollywood, what future?
Is there any future film?
नया कोई
Project.
Bhola is coming. Bhola is coming. Lots of film are there. Pritam Pyare and lots of film.